Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the check-in. It's Monday, September 22nd. Man, this month is almost over, yo. It's crazy. So check it out. Tonight, we will be doing the magazine preview with Model Cars Magazine issue 227 that we received last week. We don't have that many copies left. So if you're looking for one of these issues, check out scaleriders.com. Once we're sold out, check out modelcarsmag.com and subscribe. Tomorrow, Tuesday, we will be doing our live broadcast of Scale Riders podcast, episode number 267, with first-time guest on the show, David Monnig, all the way from Anaheim, California. Coast Airbrush, represent. So check it out. We're going to be going over the history of Coast Airbrush and also getting into some paint talk. Man, I've been geeking out on paint. And if you guys have any questions, things that you're trying to figure out regarding House of Color, please hit us up in the chat. And I'm going to go ahead and pick out 2 questions from the audience there in the chat to ask David. All right. So we're going to be starting things at 4:30 Pacific. All right. And also later in the week, going back to the Corvair, finishing up on some things. I can't wait to show you guys what I received last week. And I finally got my hands on that mineral spirits, man. I've been looking all over the place, going crazy. It's like, oh no, we don't sell it. We don't have it, and this and that. And I'm like, what are you guys talking about? And all of a sudden, I'm over there in Oxnard, I'm working and I get my break and I'm like, oh, I'm going to pop in Lowe's. Bam, they had it right there. I was like, cool, brought it home and now it's here. I brought over some of my spray guns and other stuff, which one you'll probably see behind me right here. I'm like so hyped right now that I have all my stuff. Everything's coming together, guys. So we're going to get things done. The 71 Barracuda, I just posted something on Instagram regarding that. That's another model. I'm like, I can't just stick to one. I got to do another one. And then later I'm going to do another one. So ACME show, getting ready for that next month. Man, it's going to be a fun time. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I hope to catch you guys in the chat. So please join us. All right. Peace out.